Let's see how to install Node.js on Ubuntu 24.04. So there are several options to do that, and probably the simplest one is to use apt-get. The advantage of this method is its simplicity, and it's probably the fastest way to have Node.js installed on your Ubuntu system. To do that, all you need to do is update your package list, then run apt install Node.js. So this is a completely valid method, but that's not what I'm going to do. And the reason is that using this method will not get us the latest available version of Node.js. To check which version of Node we would get if we used this method, we can use apt policy. And as you can see, using this method, we would get version 18.19. The alternative is to open the web browser and go to nodejs.org. And here from the menu, we can choose download. And we need to change to the pre-built binaries tab. And here we can find the latest version, the latest LTS version and the latest version overall. So let's say that I want the latest LTS version. I'll select Linux as my operating system, of course. Then I'll right-click on the download button and copy link. We can then use wget to download Node to our computer and paste the link we just copied. And if we list the files now, we can see the tar archive we just downloaded containing Node. Let's use tar to extract this archive. And we're going to need the -xf flag. And if we list our files now, we can see that we now have a folder containing the extracted archive. In this folder, we have a subfolder called bin. And here, we have the executable files such as node and npm. What we can do now is add this folder to the system's path. To do that, we can edit the .bashrc file. So let's use nano to do that. And let's scroll to the very end of the file. And here we're going to add one line. Export path equals, and then in quotes, $path, colon, and then the folder we want to add to our path. Let me open another terminal so I can easily copy the path. And here it is, so let's copy it and paste it to our .bashrc file. And let's now save the file and exit. And we now need to source our .bashrc file. And if we now run node --version, we can see that Node is available and that we have the latest available version.